Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable minestrone soup. First, dice your carrots, celery, and onions. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the diced vegetables and sauté them gently until they begin to soften, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This step builds a flavorful base for your soup. Next, incorporate more vegetables into the pot. Add diced zucchini, green beans, and 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Pour in 6 cups of good quality vegetable broth. Stir everything together well. Now, season the soup with 1 teaspoon each of dried oregano and basil, plus salt and black pepper to taste. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let the soup simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until all the vegetables are tender. Then, add 1 cup of small pasta, like ditalini, and 1 15-ounce can of drained and rinsed cannellini beans. Continue to cook, uncovered, until the pasta is al dente, which typically takes 8 to 10 minutes. Finally, it's time to finish your delicious minestrone. Remove the soup from the heat. Ladle generous portions into bowls. Garnish each serving with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley and a generous dusting of grated Parmesan cheese. Serve your homemade vegetable minestrone soup immediately with some warm, crusty bread on the side for a comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.